As we close out 2024, I couldn't be more proud of the teamwork exhibited to get us where we are. Not only do I think we're leading in nuclear construction, I think we're leading in construction in general with our industrial automation and tools that we're using and how we're driving innovation forward. And this has been recognized internationally by the Industry Innovation of the Year award. It's been an extraordinary year, starting from MCR 6 all the way to MCR 3 right now. We've been focused on industrial automation and different techniques, including using robotics to really fully complete our automated series from removal to inspection and now moving into installation. We're excited to see our use of our first contactless measurement tool be used for fuel channel series. We're really going to observe and get ready for the upcoming semi-auto fuel channel tooling that's coming for MCR 4. To do something as bold as we're doing in terms of innovation and tooling, you really need to build an effective ecosystem of experts around the industry. Partners like ATS Automation, ProLucid Technologies, Calian Nuclear, Shoreline Power Group, Atkins Realis, and really also fundamentally working alongside all the construction trades during this time to really build this network of innovation. It's been quite impressive so far. I really want to call out the MCR Innovation team, the MCR Tooling team, the Bruce Bauer Tooling Engineering team, the Tooling Performance team that are in the RCC every single day, working hard to make sure these execute flawlessly. And last but not least, our Issues Resolution team who leaned in here to make sure that we were resolving issues through the year. I couldn't be more proud of the work and the teamwork exhibited. Really looking forward to a successful 2025.